Wait, did you know? Most people believe they see reality exactly as it is. You open your eyes, light enters, your brain records what is there. Simple, right? Not exactly. In fact, your brain edits reality before you ever become aware of it. Right now, as you're watching this, your brain is deleting information, filling in gaps, changing colors, predicting movement, and even deciding what deserves your attention. And the strangest part? You don't notice any of it. Take your eyes, for example. You probably think your vision works like a camera, but cameras capture everything in front of them. Your eyes don't. There is a blind spot in every human eye where the optic nerve connects to the retina, a literal hole in your vision, a place where no visual information exists at all. Yet you never see a black dot floating around your field of view. Why? Because your brain edits it out. It examines the surrounding area and fills the missing space with what it thinks should be there. Not what is there, what it predicts is there. And that's just the beginning. Every second, your eyes make rapid movements called saccades. These movements are so fast that if your brain showed them to you in real time, your vision would appear shaky and chaotic. Instead, your brain hides the motion from your conscious experience. Reality is smoothed out before you ever see it. Think about that. Your experience of the world isn't a raw recording, it's an edited production. But perhaps the most surprising example involves color. Color doesn't actually exist in the world the way we experience it. Objects aren't truly red or blue. They simply reflect different wavelengths of light. Your brain interprets those wavelengths and creates the experience of color. The redness of an apple exists inside your mind, not inside the apple. The same is true for every color you've ever seen. Then there's attention. At any given moment, your senses are being flooded with information. The feeling of your clothes, the temperature of the room, the sound of distant traffic, the pressure of your feet against the floor. Most of it never reaches your awareness. Your brain decides what matters and filters out the rest. You experience only a tiny fraction of the information available to you. The rest is discarded, which raises a fascinating question. If your brain is constantly editing reality, how much of what you experience is actually the world? And how much is your brain's best guess? Scientists increasingly believe that perception is less like seeing reality and more like constructing it. Your brain gathers information, makes predictions, fills gaps, corrects errors, and presents the final result as a seamless experience you call reality. Not because it's trying to deceive you, but because it has to. The world is simply too complex to process in full. So your brain creates a model, a useful one, an incredibly accurate one, but a model nonetheless. Which means the reality you experience every day is not a direct window into the universe. It's a carefully edited version designed by the most sophisticated object you've ever encountered, your own brain. And the strangest part? You never get to see the edits.